Hello people, I'm Bharat Acharya. Welcome to a new video. So in today's video we're going to learn this topic called memory interleaving. It's an important topic in COA subject. There are two types of interleaving techniques. They are called higher order and lower order. What does interleaving basically mean? Having multiple memory chips to form one big memory. Instead of having one memory in one single chip, combining the memory as a set of chips, a group of modules. That is what is called memory interleaving. There are two techniques of doing it. There is something called higher order interleaving, which is very easy to understand, it's straightforward. There is something called lower order interleaving, which is crazy. If you want to understand it, you need to put a lot of effort. But once you do, you understand why RAM in a modern computer is a set of chips and not one chip. Whenever you buy RAM, it always comes as a set of chips. That is lower order interleaving. There's something happening over there. It's also called memory banking in microprocessors, if you learn microprocessors. Anyway, so that's what we're going to be learning in the video. I'll be teaching you both of them with diagrams and as a distinguish. This is a distinguish. A comparison is what basically comes in the exam. But to understand that, you need to understand the topic. Okay? Now that's what's going to happen. You know what I've been doing. This is an introduction. You want to watch the whole video, come to my website. It's called www.bharatacharyaeducation.com. The link is given down below. Register yourself as a user. There is a subscription amount, of course. It is not free, but the amount is very low. It's 999 rupees as of now. It will increase soon. Make your subscription. The moment you make the payment, you can start watching the videos instantly, and the subscription remains active for the next 6 months, so you can watch the videos again and again. I hope to see you there. Wish you all the best.